Alright y'all, so I'm super duper excited for this second holiday glam makeup look that we're doing in this mini holiday glam series. And today I'm going to be doing a cute and simple matte smoky eye for you guys. I already did my eyebrows off camera. If you guys want an updated eyebrow routine, definitely let me know that in the comments down below. And of course, don't forget to check out the eye cards because I will link some eyebrow tutorial tips videos that I have on my channel for you guys, so that way you can know how to slay your eyebrows. But we're going to go ahead and prep the eyelids. To prep my eyelids, I'm going to be using the Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Sculpting Concealer in the shade Butterscotch. And the reason why I'm using Butterscotch is because we're going for a more neutral kind of look. If I was going to use more colors, then I would use my brighter concealer, which is the shade Cookie. I'm actually going to use a beauty sponge to blend out the concealer on my eyelids. Now that I have my base applied, I'm going to go in with the Laura Mercier Translucent Setting Powder. I'm going to do a thin layer to set that concealer, so that way my base is nice and ready for the eyeshadow that I'm going to apply on top. And you guys, the eyeshadows that I'm going to be using today are going to be from the Juvia's Place The Warrior palette. This is one of my favorite eyeshadow palettes. You can create so many different types of looks from this eyeshadow palette. And hey,
Front door.
my brother just walked by, you guys. So yeah, like I was saying, you can create so many different eyeshadow looks with this eyeshadow palette, and I would definitely link the other holiday glam look video that we did to this one as well. So the first eyeshadow that I'm going to be using is the shade called Cano. It's going to be a nice medium warm brown toned shade, and I'm going to be using a fluffy eyeshadow brush to basically make this my transition color. So I'm going to apply Cano on a fluffy eyeshadow brush. Now that I have this shade Cano blended out to my liking, I'm going to take a Real Techniques eyeshadow brush. This is a shading brush. It's a more rounder, denser brush. It is a little bit flexible, but it's going to be nice and dense for me to be able to pack on that eyeshadow. So the next color I'm going to be using is Mino. It is a nice deep dark chocolate eyeshadow shade. I was gonna do black, but if you are afraid of doing a smoky eye and kind of want to test the water a little bit, I would definitely suggest using a dark chocolate shade, so that way you can kind of build up the intensity and see how you like the smoky eye effect, instead of just going in with straight black or black eyeliner gel. So I'm just going to take a little bit of this eyeshadow because it is very pigmented. That's the one thing that I love about the Juvia's Place eyeshadow palettes. All of their palettes are very pigmented and they're affordable as well. And of course, I will have everything listed down below in the description box of what I'm using to create this makeup look. So I'm just going to take a little bit of that eyeshadow and I'm just going to simply pack that all over my eyelid. And I'm really going to focus that on the lid of my eye, and then I'm going to blend the two colors together. And I'm just using light patting motions to apply this eyeshadow. You guys, I'm basically carving out a half moon or half circle shape to kind of frame my smoky eye, and then I'm going to blend the two colors together. So we won't have this harsh line of where you saw that I packed on that eyeshadow, but I'm basically cutting my crease without really cutting my crease. Alright y'all, so I know I'm looking a little crazy right now, but we're gonna fix that. So what I'm gonna do is go back into the eyeshadow palette with the same brush that I used to pick up the shade Cano. I'm gonna pick up a little bit more of that and then blend everything together.
Then you fall back, giving me signs that I've seen before. some more time. No, no. There's no use playing hard to get. I figured you out, but you don't know it yet. So take off your mask. Yeah. Love is just around the corner, babe. To do what we want, I wanna get in shape with you all night. All night. Imagine us there. Imagine us there. Imagine us there. All night. There's something that I need from you. Don't act like you don't have a clue. You don't have to wait for it tonight. You don't have to be so damn polite. No, you love the game, but I don't wanna play. I know there's time, but I don't wanna wait. Promise I won't bite. No, no. Love is just around the corner, babe. To do what we want, I wanna get in shape with you all night. All night. Imagine us there. Imagine us there. Imagine us there. All night. There's something that I need from you. Don't act like you don't have a clue. You don't have to wait for it tonight. You don't have to be so damn polite. No, no. Imagine us You don't have to wait for it tonight.
Why are you going back and forth? I can't keep up with your mood swings. What is troubling your mind? Are you doing this just to test me? I'm bad at handling this type of thing. Why I don't get it, you say it's a man thing. Babe, I wanna be your rock. I just wanna make your heart sing. But you're not letting me get through to you. Yeah. If you let your guard down, baby, this is what I'll do. I'll do. Come on, baby. Love you, I will love you, I will love you like a queen. I will love to take you to a place you've never been. Love you, I will love.
Alright y'all, that is all that I have for this beginner-friendly makeup tutorial. I hope that you guys really did enjoy this makeup look and learn something new. Do not forget to drop me a comment down below, give this video a thumbs up, and of course share this video with your friends so that way we all can look fabulous together. And you guys already know what to do. Remember to stay beautiful, stay blessed, stay safe, and stay poppin'. And I will catch y'all in my next video. Bye!
It's not my fault. You've been lying, saying that I took away your